Hello, all my dear students. Welcome to Sri Jain's Rank Zone classes. Dear students, my name is Ajay Gulati, and I'm your friend and mentor for the mathematics portion or quantitative aptitude portion. As you can see on the screen, today we will be discussing the chapter coordinate geometry, and the level at which it is being asked in your exam is pretty decent, pretty easy. So you will be able to understand each and everything which I explain you, and I'll start from the very basics. Now, dear students, let us start with class 03 for coordinate geometry. What I will be discussing in this class is the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle using the coordinates, using the vertices. Okay, let's say I show you a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle. Vertices are, just a small second. Yeah, let's assume the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, and y3. Okay, dear students. Now, these are the vertices. Yes. If I say these are the vertices, then what will be the area? Then the area will be half. We take up this is a modular sign for positive number, half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, like this. This is the formula. Okay, dear students, we will just apply this formula and we will get the answer for this. This class will be short actually because I've done everything pertaining to your chapter coordinate geometry. Only this portion is remaining. So this class I will do this and I'll wind up the chapter. Okay. So we just need to apply this formula and we'll be able to solve the questions. Okay. Let me start with the question. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 and minus 3 minus 5. We have to find the area of this triangle. See, let me just randomly take any 3 points to mark them x1 y1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. 1 comma minus 1 minus 4 comma 6 and minus 3 comma minus 5. Now what will be the area? See, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, so it will be half. I take x1 is 1. Now y2 minus y3, that is 6 minus minus 5 plus x2 is minus 4 y3 minus y1 minus 5 minus minus 1 plus x3. What is x3? x3 is minus 3 into y1 minus y2. What is y1? y1 is minus 1 minus y2 is 6. So far clear, dear students? I hope there is no doubt so far. Just putting the values and nothing else. Okay, dear students? Now these will be what? You just have to add this. 6 minus minus 5 is 11. So 1, this is positive 11. Then minus 5 plus 1. This is what? Minus 5 plus 1. This will be positive 4. So this will be like minus 4 into minus 4, this will be 16. And finally, minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21. All this is positive, so you need not apply anything now. So your answer becomes half. 16, fine, 11 and 21 is 32. This is 48. Half into 48 or 24 units. This is your answer. Clear to all? Fine. Next one. Just a second here, students. Find the area of a triangle formed by the points. You are given these 3 points. See, these are the points like x1, y1. Sorry, this is y1. This is x2, y3, and this is x3, y3. This is x1. So as per the formula, what will be the area directly? The area will be half modulus. What is x1? I will write x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus y1. y1 is 6. Then sorry, x2 is 6. Then x2. Then y3 minus y1 plus x3. x3 is what? x3 is minus 3 into y1 minus y2, like this. So far clear? Now let's calculate this. This is half. Minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 1.5 is positive 9. 6 into 1 is 6. Lastly, we have 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 3 multiplied will give me minus 15. So this is half into 0 or 0. So the area of this triangle is nothing but 0. When I get 3 points are 0, it means that the 3 points are collinear. So let's remember, whenever you have any 3 points in a triangle, and if it's actually a triangle, then there will be some area. But if for any 3 points the area is 0, then it is a line. These 3 points are collinear actually. Okay, let me take one question directly on collinear. In this question, we found out that the 3 points are collinear, but the next question which I am taking right now, in that we are already being told that the 3 points are collinear. Okay. Find the value of k if the points are collinear. I will do this question by two methods. One is very logical basic method, the other is formula method. Let's go to the basic method first. If any 3 points are collinear, what will happen, dear students? I want to tell you one concept. Since we are in continuation of section formula, we will do it by section formula. Point A is what? 2, 3. Okay. Point B is 4, k. Point C is 6, minus 3. What will happen? See, let's talk about x. We need the y one. Let's talk about x. X goes from 2 to 4, then 4 to 6. What it means? Here there is an addition of plus 2. Here also there is an addition of plus 2. It means both the places the addition is plus 2. When both the places addition is plus 2, I can say this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. Directly I can say this point B is the midpoint actually. From here I can say B is the midpoint of AC. On the basis of this, I can say B is the midpoint of AC. So k is actually what? K is the midpoint of. How do we find the midpoint? Just add the two numbers and divide by 2. That is 0. So the value of k is 0. This is your answer. Done. Let's solve it by conventional method. By area method. Let's solve the question by area method. What does the area method says? If 3 points are collinear, they won't encompass any area. They won't encompass, they won't form a triangle. They won't form a triangle. Hence, area enclosed between 3 points will be 0. Enclosed between 3 collinear points is 0. So that way what will happen? The points are, let's apply the formula. What will be the area? Area is equal to 0 is equal to half. I write x12 y2 minus y3 plus x2 4 y3 minus y1. Okay, then last it is x3 6 y1 minus y2. I repeat, first we take x1, that is 2, y2 minus y3 plus x2 4 y3 minus y1 plus x3 6 y1 minus y2. This will be 0. So I can say this 2 goes over here 0. This is modular sign actually right now. So this is 2k, this is k plus 3, so it becomes 2k plus 6. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 24 plus 18 minus 6k. So from here I can say 0 is equal to 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. Then see, 6 and 18 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So from here you can say minus 4k is equal to 0 or 4k is equal to 0. That is k is equal to 0 as you found out by pure logic earlier. Same answer all my dear students. Okay, clear to all? Let's take the next one. This is again a good question. If PQR are the midpoints of the sides A, B, B, C, C of a triangle formed by the points, then area of PQR is, dear students, we have the points A, B, C. Okay. PQR are the midpoints of the sides. Let's say this is P, this is Q, and this is R. These are the midpoints of the sides A, B, B, C, C, A. The points A are 5, comma minus 1. The point B is minus 7, comma 6. And lastly, point C is 1, comma 3. You have to tell the area of triangle PQR. What will be the area of triangle PQR? It will be 1 by 4 of area of triangle ABC. So let's find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, that will be what? Half. I take x1 5, y2 minus y3 6 minus 3 plus x2. X2 is minus 7. X2 is minus 7. Y3 minus y1, that is 3 minus 1. After 7 I take 1, 1, y2 y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 6 5. Okay, half, this is 5, 6 minus 3 plus, then it is minus 7, 3 minus minus 1. Okay, then it is 3 minus 1 minus 6. So this becomes what? Half of 5 into 6 minus 3 is 15. 3 minus minus 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into minus 7 is minus 28. Then it is 1 minus 7 is minus 7. 28 and 7 is 35, minus 35 and positive 15 is 20. So half into 20, that is equal to 10. Okay, now area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 by 4 of 10, that is equal to 2.5 square units. This is the answer. Fine. Shall I proceed ahead? Let's take the next one. Area of a triangle with vertices this is 3. Then the possible values of x are directly. What is the area of triangle formula? The formula is half x1. x1 is 1. Then y2 minus y3. X minus 3 plus x2. What is x2? x2 is 4. Okay. Then y3 minus y1 plus x3, that is 2. y1 minus y2. This is given to you as 3. This implies half into x minus 3. This is minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 2 into 5 is 10 minus 2x is equal to 3, or I can say x minus 2x is minus x under modulus minus 3 minus 8 plus 10. Okay, minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, minus 11 plus 10 is minus 1, modulus is equal to 6. So I can say minus of x plus 1 modulus is equal to 6. That way what I can say, that way I will say x plus 1, either this x plus 1 is equal to 6, or I can say x plus 1 is equal to minus 6. Minus will, see, modulus will absorb the minus sign. Then like modulus of, suppose I say modulus of x is equal to 5, then x becomes what? Plus minus 5 that way. Okay, if I take capital X, so x will be plus minus 5 that way. So x plus y, x plus 1 will be 6 or minus 6. This minus has been absorbed by this. So x is equal to either 6 minus 1 5, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. So 5 or minus 7. Which is the option? Option number 2 is the answer. Clear to all? This was a good question. Let's take one last before I wind up this class, before I wind up this chapter. This is a good question. Area of a triangle with vertices A, B plus C, B, C plus A, and C, A plus B is, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, this is x3, this is y3. Directly apply the formula. What will the area? Area will be half in the modulus. Take x1a, that is now, what will happen? y2 minus y3, minus a minus b, plus b I take common, then y3 minus y1, then x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2 modulus close. So this is half. A and minus a will be cancelled. This is AC minus AB plus B and minus B will be cancelled. BA minus BC plus CN minus C will be cancelled. CB minus CA. Now it appears this is positive BA, this is minus BA cancelled. This is BC and this is minus CB, this is cancelled. This is positive AC, this is negative AC cancelled. So half into 0 or 0, that is option number 4. So this was the last possible typing question from this chapter which are being asked in your exams. And I hope it is clear to all of you. This was all for today. We have done every possible question of the exercises we have done. We have done this concept in full detail, and tomorrow we'll start with a new concept. Before I wind up, I would like to say, please make it a habit, solve all the questions by writing. Don't just merely watch the video, it won't help you. The only thing which will help you is your practice. How many times you practice, how many times you revise will help you to crack the exam at a good speed. Okay, fine, bye bye, take care, practice as much as you can. Bye.